Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. Guys, I am here at Dollar General, as you can tell by the shelves and the signs. And yep, I'm in the laundry aisle. I'm getting ready to do another laundry deal for you guys. So we want to make sure that we take advantage of this P&G glitch that's going on. Until it stops. So you want to make sure that you're using every single account that you have, because this is an amazing deal, and this is a great way for us to stock up on our P&G products, since they're no longer doing printables or the IPs, the inserts, or anything like that. So I don't know if you guys have watched my other video, but this video is mainly going to focus on Gain products. So if you want to get some Tide products, then there's another video that you want to watch. But I'm going to do the P&G deal, and then I'm also going to do another deal. So our entire deal that we're going to do on household products is going to be less than $25. So the first thing I'm going to pick up is one of these large jugs of Gain. You can get the Aroma Boost, which is the original scent. You can get the Island Fresh. And that's all that my store has to choose from in the jugs. So I'm going to grab one of these original scents here. And those original scents are actually priced at $15.95. But we have this $4 digital coupon that we're going to use. So that's going to bring them down to $11.95. Now make sure that you scan every product that you're going to get, because what we're going to do, we're going to make sure that we get our total up to $30. The reason being is because there is a spend 30, get $10 off digital coupon, and it's a Dollar General store coupon in the Dollar General app. And it is glitching. And the reason it's glitching is, let me show you guys. Is because I can't, the internet's horrible here, so these are my screenshots. Is because the coupon says that you have to buy 4 different products. It's saying that you have to get a beads, a dryer sheet, a liquid, and a fabric softener or something, but you really don't. The deal that we're going to do, we're only going to get 3 products, and we're going to get 3 items, but we're going to get 2 liquids and 1 dryer sheet. But the coupon is stating you need to get 1 of each. So it should be 4 different products, 4 different items, but it doesn't work that way. So that's why I'm saying that it is a glitch. So we're going to grab that jug, which is $15.95, and we're going to grab a couple of other items to get our total up to the $30, so that we can actually save that $10 plus use the other coupons. Now you might say, well, how are you using 2 coupons on 1 product? The spend 30 get $10 coupon is a Dollar General store coupon. The $4 coupon that we're using on those jugs is a manufacturer coupon. You can stack a manufacturer coupon with a store coupon. So the next item that I'm going to grab is one of the smaller things of Gain liquid, which are the ones for $9.95. So let me find them, because I'm not seeing them unless they just have these shelves tagged wrong. So 1 second, let me look. Okay guys, I was looking for the liquid for $9.95, but it looks like my store doesn't have those, so I'm gonna have to get the pods. So I'm gonna get these here pods. Let me see if they have the original scents. I'm just like all over the place. I'd rather have the original than the Oxy, because I think you get more in there. Nope, they don't have those either. Okay, well, we'll have to go with the Ultra Oxy. So these are $9.95. Look, it says that they're out of stock, but there's like 10 on the shelf. We're going to use this $3 digital coupon that attaches, and you see it does attach to the spend 30, get $10 off. So you want to make sure that everything that you get, that attaches, okay? So that's $9.95 and $15.95. So we're not quite up to our $30. So we're going to grab some dryer sheets here. I'm going to grab these for $4.50. It's the 105 count. So these are $4.50. But I do not have a digital coupon to go with these, okay? So you can get these, you can get the dryer sheets, you can get the small bags of flings, totally up to you which one you want to get. They're both $4.50, and there's no digital coupon that attaches to those, but it is, you see that it is part of the spend 30 get $10 off deal, okay? So these are the 3 items that we're going to get for that deal, okay? Those are my 3 Gain products that I'm going to get. So as long as everything works out at the register, our total should be like $13.40. So let's go grab the rest of our items. So the next deal that we're going to do is going to be on some Scott products. This week at Dollar General, they have Scott products that are spend $15 and save $3 instantly. Now guys, when you do this deal, please be careful, because in the past when we've done this deal, every single Scott product was included, right? Well, now it's not like that. Every Scott product is not included. So you have to be sure to scan and make sure that when you scan your Scott products, that at the bottom it says save $3 when you spend $15 on select Scott products. And you see it says select. Normally it doesn't say select. So that means every single Scott product is not included. And the reason why I'm spending a lot of time and emphasizing that is because I already did a Scott deal yesterday, and I had people emailing me and messaging me and commenting, oh, mine didn't work, my $3 didn't come off, because you guys grabbed the wrong items. You have to scan them to make sure that that is part of the instant savings. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab 3 of these 12 family rolls for $5. When you grab 3 of them, that is going to equal you up to your $15 threshold, right? That's a very, very simple deal to do. So there's my $15. When you scan it into the app, you see there is a $1 digital coupon that attaches. So I'm going to get the $3 off instantly plus the $1 digital coupon. This same $1 digital coupon is also on Shopium. So I'm going to submit my receipt to Shopium and get another $1 off. And this same coupon is also on the Alexa app. So I'm going to submit that to Alexa, and I'm going to get another $1 off. So that means I'm going to get a total of $6 off. I'm going to save $3 instantly and $1 at the register. That's $4. I'm going to get $1 from Shopium and $1 from Alexa. So that's a total of $6. So that means these 3 packets of toilet paper is only going to cost me $9. So this is everything that I'm getting. I'm getting the 3 packs of Family Roll Scott toilet paper, the big jug of Gain, the Gain dryer sheets, and the Gain flings. So let's head up to the register and let's see what our out-of-pocket is. Okay guys, so I'm back in the car and I have a double glitch. This is an unexpected glitch. I had no clue this was going to happen until I checked out. So let me show you guys what happened. So first, here is my receipt. So there's the Scott toilet paper. I got 3 of them for $5. Now you guys notice that the $1 digital coupons didn't come off, right? Well, they didn't come off because I didn't use the right account. The account that I showed you guys in the store was on this that I was supposed to use, that I was showing you the coupons on and things, was supposed to be on this blue phone. Okay? And I showed you guys the Scott coupon. You've seen it was clipped. But I put in the wrong phone number because I wasn't paying attention. So that will happen when you're using multiple accounts. Make sure you put the right phone number in. So that's the first thing with this. So I should have had a $1 digital coupon come off for the Scott toilet paper. But I'm going to submit my receipt to Shopium to get a $1 off. And I will also submit my receipt to coupons, not coupons.com, to Alexa and get $1 off. So I'm just going to miss $1. I'm okay with that, especially since this double glitch happened. All right, so now let's go get into that. So there you see my gain for $15.95, okay? Promotion 0. Now, I did this at a new store, okay? So you will not see my digital coupons come off until the end. There's the Gain Flings for $9.95. There's the Gain Dryer Sheets for $4.50. My $4 digital coupon came off. That was for the big jug of Gain for $15.95. My $3 digital coupon came off for the Gain Flings for $9.95. And I didn't have a coupon for the dryer sheets. Now, this is where the glitch comes in at, guys. Look, the $3 discount came off. That's the $3 instant for the Scott I was supposed to get. That's legit. That should have happened. But look, I got the $10 off for spending $30. I already used that $10 off. Used that $10 off for spending $30 yesterday. Okay, I used that at an old system yesterday, and it stayed on my account. Not only that, that $3 digital coupon, I used that yesterday too, because that coupon was attaching to the Tide that I got. So I went to an old system store yesterday. I mean, a new system. Yeah, an old system. I'm getting mixed up. I went to an old system store yesterday and used those coupons to spend 10, spend 30, get $10 off, and then the $3 off for the Tide or Gain, and it stayed on my account. I didn't know that. Okay, how I found out is by putting the wrong phone number in. Okay, so I put in the last 4 digits, 8272. Here's my receipt from yesterday. Hold on, let me. So here you see where it says scheme number 8272. That's the last 4 digits. Here's my receipt from yesterday. There you see the $3 digital coupon. Okay, you also see all those store discounts, which adds up to $10. So, guys, I don't know. I don't know if you go to an old system and then to a new system, or you go to an old system first and it stays on your account. But I did this deal yesterday at 11:40 a.m. Okay. Then the one I did today, where's my time? Today at 1:59 p.m. Old system, new system. Now, I looked on my account just now, and now they're gone. So I don't know if you can use it twice. I don't know what's going on, but I'm thankful that I put the wrong phone number in, because I was able to use those coupons again. Now I still have the coupons on the original account that I was supposed to use. So guys, I'm like over the moon, and I'm just so happy. So I hope it happens to you too. Check your accounts, okay? Now, let's get back to what should have happened. So, this receipt comes up to $25.40. But let me show you what I did. So here you see I submitted my receipt for Shopium. And then I also submitted my receipt to Alexa. And if I would have had my dollar, if I would have used the right account, I would have had another $1 off. So that means that this entire haul would have been $22.40. Guys, that's an excellent, excellent deal. So, guys, if you do the deal right, you're going to get that Gain. You're going to get the dryer sheets. You're going to get the flings and 3 things of toilet paper for $22.40. So come back. Let me know if your coupons are still on your account. Let me know how it works out for you. And until the next time, keep on saving.